Guys, hawak ko na ang Xiaomi 15S Pro. This is the phone na may self-developed na processor ni Xiaomi, which is the X-Ring 01. So tara, samahan niyo ako, unbox natin. Now, the thing to expect dito is malaki ang kanyang box, mahaba, no? And it's already the 15th anniversary ng Xiaomi. So, buksan muna natin. You see a 15S Pro dito and always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. So, pag bukas mo dito, you get a charging brick na silver. Probably one of the first time I saw one. No? Maganda ka na pagka-silver. Normally, puti lang siya. No? Ayos, di ba? And of course, you get your SIM executor tool dito. And of course, your charging cable. And dito, on this box, you get yung kanyang lanyard. Together with a quick start guide. And of course, yung case natin, no? Which comes together with this one. Yan. So, meron siyang, I'm not sure, bling-bling or whatever this is. Yan. 2010 to 2025 na si Xiaomi. And of course, yung kanyang case na kasama. Which looks good. Solid. No? And of course, yung kanyang phone itself. Sana natin. I love itong color niya. No? Itong carbon fiber finish and yung kanyang camera bump looks quite similar sa Xiaomi 15. No? May nakasunod dito na X-Ring, no? Which signify yung kanyang self-developed na processor. And I love yung touch ng black and gold dito. No? Looks very premium tingnan. And side metal frames na meron natin dito. Yan, this is how it looks like sa ibabaw, sa ilalim. And this is the other side. Pretty clean. And pag tinignan mo naman, this one has a quad curve display. No? Really good. And of course, si X-Ring 01 ang kanyang highlight dito. Now, I'll be doing my full review pretty soon. Hopefully, you get to catch my full review. So, don't forget to subscribe sa akin channel para makita niyo ang full review natin. And yun guys, nakita niyo ang kanyang Antutu benchmark score, 2.35 million, which is quite close sa isang Snapdragon 8 Elite. No? Which, I think, this is quite powerful din. Ayan. So, once again, this is the Xiaomi 15S Pro. So, don't forget to check back para sa aking full review. So, I'll see you soon.